Si Sir Noel, Sir Charles.
Oy, happy birthday! Oy, happy birthday, Master. Solid yan, solid ka pa.
Magandang hapon sa iyo, Master.
Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo, Master. Happy birthday, Master Jerry.
Dok, magandang hapon.
Happy birthday, Master. Happy birthday.
Ay, maraming salamat po, Sir Rian. Hello po. Yan. Good afternoon po, Miss Alo. Louie. Cavendish, oh.
Shoutout sa mga Bicolanong siklista natin dyan ng mga kapadyak. Happy birthday sa'yo, brother Jerry Miguel.
Hello everyone, shoutout JNix TV. Ito, sticker para sa...
Ay, maraming salamat. Ay, shoutout sa inyo lahat dyan. Good morning. Kasama ko si Maestro Spigikay at ang ating legendary Sir Celso. Yan. The legendary biker.
Legendary, makagira mo.
Idol ng lahat, siyempre.
Makagira mo.
Shoutout sa Bicolano siklista. Bicolano siklista. Chill Bikers Club, Hard Chargers. Yeah! Woo! Maestro Spigikay in the house.
Shoutout kay kay... Sana okay ka lang.
Dahil okay na lang.
Siyempre, ang idol ng lahat, the legendary Celso Ocliada.
Oh my God! Wow!
Kaya ba ako?
The legend!
Baka iibi.
Grabe, the legend! Yee! Maestro Spigikay. Yeah.
Woke up from a whisper, collared shirt down by my feet, stood on crowded bathroom row. Voices filled the rooms upstairs. Our Ford was warm before we drove. Breakfast fresh on the stove. She walked out with the floral blouse. Back then, everyone was near. Woke up from an old alarm. Bones could barely roll from bed. Stood on an empty bathroom rug, walking around with one eye closed. Last of 6 eyes focusing on me. Lukewarm coffee for the road. My car was cold till 59. It seems now I'm alone.
Tulak. Tulak tayo boys. Yan o. Grabe. Ma-hiking kita. Grabe oh. Taas na dun oh. Hiking. Ayan o. Yan si Sir Celso Kambal Suso. Hiking kami. Yun. Grabe ang taas na. Grabe oh. Taas na.
A few moments later.
Yung balik na kami. Yan na. Babay na, babay, babay.